I'm going to be showing you how to get icons in Honkai Star Rail. So what you need to do is have character icons, which automatically gets unlocked when you acquire any character through warps or events. You can also try completing missions and quests. Just complete adventure missions, companion missions, trailblaze missions to unlock hidden profile pictures. You have achievements where you fulfill specific achievement conditions throughout the game and they let you have a profile picture. You have battle passes, events, special interaction. You just need to go to the top left where you can see this phone icon and you have your profile right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and now as you can see, I can see the characters that I have, and if I need to change it, then just select the character that you want and tap on confirm. So if you want to change the profile picture or you need to get more profile icons, then you need to be really in the game. Just focus on the game, get new characters, and this will help you get new icons. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.